God. It chambered. Failure to eject. Dead trigger. That was a live round. Come on. That's a failure to eject. Okay, so I figured out that the failure to, cycle actually was caused by a piece of wood breaking off right here. And that allowed the locking block to just swing around willy-nilly. What I need to do to fix this is to install the third pin that typically is right there on a regular Glock frame. So that'll fix that problem. I believe the reason we're getting failures to eject and cycle properly was because the mags sit slightly too high up in the frame. I was getting a little bit of wear. I don't know if you can see it right here, but right here along the top of the mag from the slide hitting it. So I think that was just binding the slide up enough to make it fail to cycle. So we'll get it next time. I think that'll go away when I make a mag catch.